with that flip thing. That Sony something.
The vlogging camera.
Yeah, this is for this one. What he's taking GoPro?
On the GoPro, yeah.
Come, start. Start, no, start.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to the south, but right now we have reached CJ's place. So Ori's here with me. This is Clint.
Hi
Clint,
guys.
CJ's cousin.
Dude, which floor you came?
Okay, I came in the wrong floor. It's the ground floor.
Continue.
Second floor. So today we are going to HOTBITE. That's a small cafe in the south. And what else are we doing? Nothing else, right?
We are going to meet one of his friends.
One of his cousins.
Another cousin is going to be there. Yeah.
We're just gonna see if the food is worth it or not. If it's not worth it, I'm fine.
So I just met Mario, and Mario was saying that the food is absolutely fantastic over there. So I don't know how it's going to turn out. So let's see. Where the shoes?
It's on top.
Okay, we again come to the wrong floor. S2 notice. Yeah, this one.
It opens.
Now it's come.
His parents are there?
I don't know. So guys, currently we are at CJ's place. Let's see his reaction because today he's also vlogging. I don't know. Let's see what he's saying.
This is my first appearance.
Yo!
Hello.
What a guy.
So guys, here we have Ori,
Hi guys.
Shantanu,
Yo.
Vaughn and Clint.
Oh yeah.
So here the boys, we are here to go to HOTBITE and what do you have to say, bro?
I hope you enjoy the vlog. This is Nicholas's first vlog. His new video, his last video was I think a year ago or something. So please like, share and support.
Alright, what do you have to say, bro?
Nothing, bro. Much show support.
Vaughn,
It's
how
so
do you feel?
difficult to look at two cameras.
So
right
guys,
now.
first of all, a big shout out to CJ Nico over here. I'm going to put a link in the description. Do go like, subscribe,
Obvious.
and then also comment and share with your friends because my man has started. I was inspired by CJ to vlog.
Go straight for it first.
Hey, wait, we're touching. And we scratched.
To HOTBITE and what do you have to say, bro?
So we're headed to a location that is HOTBITE. We'll reach there around how long, Raymond?
We'll be there in 1 hour, I feel.
Yeah, approximately an hour. With the
In
new
an hour.
bridge, it'll be a little faster. So I hope you enjoy the vlog. If you like it, give it a like. If you don't, dislike it. Thank you.
Emotional, damn it!
That I'm straightforward. You don't like
Guys, currently we have reached Curtorim and CJ is spoiling my vlog, I don't know why. We reached Curtorim and we are at this place called the food truck. HOTBITE. HOTBITE, the food truck. And they say that we have to go here. And it's showing us over here. So before we enter, I just want to give a big shout out to CJ Nico as he has recently started vlogging. So please go and subscribe to his channel.
Guys,
He's just spoiling it, I don't know why. So guys, we are going and let's see how this place is, HOTBITE. We have heard some good reviews about it. So let's see how this place is. I know what these guys are doing.
it's like competition of vlogging.
So guys, currently we are at HOTBITE inside the indoors part. So we ordered our drinks first. So we have a watermelon mint cooler. Clint has got a Galaxy drink, which is a grapefruit drink. Tastes actually damn good. And
I got the blueberry. It's okay, it's okay. It's not that difficult. Yo, what's up? So this is my watermelon slush. It's really amazing. It's really good. What is this?
Prawn. Chicken fusion.
oh, that's the fusion burger. Is that the mix? Is that the mix? No, mix. Only chicken.
Yeah, only chicken.
Only chicken. Hey, that's ours.
Prawns.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah?
You ordered prawns?
This is prawns, sir. This is prawns.
Oh, three. One is Keats.
Wait. What do you order?
That burger is coming. I don't know the name. After he reaches the galaxy. Prawn burger and me and Shana sharing the fusion burger.
It's the big one.
Oh yeah.
That's the chicken sauce.
Yeah.
That's the chicken fusion. It's a chicken panko, and this is chicken crispy with load of sauce. Fusion sauces. It's completely fusion.
So guys, this is the prawn burger. I'm gonna take my first bite on this. Guys, if you'll ever come to HOTBITE over here, do try their prawn burger. It is amazing. It's an absolute delight because it's something new that I've never tried, and I would recommend you all to have this in the future. Whatever. Finally, Clint has got his
Chicken
panko burger, paparazzi burger. Pretty big. Pretty big, yeah. So guys, we also ordered chicken fries, which are already over now. So everyone's enjoying the meal. Nico has got his fusion burger.
Oh yeah, chicken panko.
So Nico has ordered a mix, that is chicken, beef and pork. He's getting his thumbnail ready right now. Oh, thumbnail already ready.
You good now?
Yeah, actually looks good. So guys, this is the last dish. It's called the chicken teriyaki lollipop, assisted with some cheesy fries. It goes along well, I think. So my first bite. Let's go for it. So guys, I had my first bite on this, and it was awesome actually because the teriyaki sauce is completely different from what teriyaki that I know. So it is a very sweet kind of a flavor, not that too spicy as well. Yeah, it's damn good, guys. CJ still enjoying.
I'm still figuring this out. Again.
Go ahead.
Let's go. Oh shit. It's too messy.
Go bigger pull up. Big people need big stuff. Alright.
Currently, we are going to do a small interview with the owner of HOTBITE food truck. That is Dylan Vega himself. So currently he's a little busy with the orders, but yeah, we're waiting for him. Hi Dylan, few questions. So what was your basic plan, when you started like HOTBITE?
Okay, so we started off with a food truck.
Okay.
Okay, so we ran it for around 3 years, and now we shifted back to like this is my place here.
Okay.
So in a restaurant kind of a setup.
Okay, so 3 years back you said, right?
3 years we had the food truck.
Food truck.
Total in 5 years.
Okay, so during COVID, like how did that affect you?
COVID did affect us a lot because of staff and like the produce also not going much.
Okay.
So we had to shut down for some time.
So you all came back into action, say like what, 2021?
No, we just shut for 1 month.
For 1 month. Oh,
One
okay.
month.
So you were like initiating everything from here, from
here
this
only,
place.
yeah, from this place. So we're just doing deliveries and takeaways for
So-
that period only.
Okay, okay. So what did you prefer, the food truck or like this place over here?
I prefer this place because it gives us more space to work.
Okay,
The food truck
okay.
was just 2 of us working, so it was very congested.
Okay, and it was here only in
It was in Curtorim.
in
next to the
Curtorim.
church, yeah.
Okay, next to the church. Okay. So guys, the food was amazing over here. He's a rock star. And everything was served super hot to us, and everything was super fresh. So thanks Dylan.
Thank you.
They come all the way from Panjim.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah. There was an important thing to note that this is Keith Rodriguez. He's CJ Nico's cousin brother.
Say congrats to Keith on the new car. Same man.
Congrats.
HOTBITE treat we should ask him for.
Alright.
We didn't get.
Take the patra.
Will I come for a
So
ride?
as you can see, this is Keith's new car. Congratulations, bro. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Party re.
This was Keith